When we design a slab, we often hear about the one-way slab. A one-way slab refers to a slab in a room where there are 14 types and the load is transferred to 2 of the walls. This is what is called a one-way slab. The criterion for this is that the total length of the room after dividing by the width should meet a certain condition. If the ratio is 2 or more, then we design it as a one-way slab. When designing this one-way slab, it is said that there are 4 supports, but the width is less, so the load does not go to the shorter side. Instead, we are transferring the load to the 2 longer sides. That is, the load spans towards the 2 sides with the greater length. So, in a slab with 4 supports, we are applying the load only on 2 supports. That is what we call a one-way slab. Mainly, verandas and rooms with greater length, like those measuring 3 meters by 6 meters, for example, are designed as one-way slabs if they follow this pattern.